Hello, what we have here today is a 1971 Honda Z50, legendary motorcycle, mini bike I should say, that every kid either had or wanted. These things are built bulletproof and they've lasted the test of time. Anyways, this one's a pretty original bike with mostly all original parts. I did replace some parts on it that were bad that you could obtain, such as a new gas tank. It's a repo gas tank and badges. Very nice, very similar to the original, and they come that color already, which is a little bit bluer than the original blue. But anyways, this bike has never been painted, the rest of it. That's a new repo tank, seat, tail lamp assembly. I put a brand new tail lamp assembly on everything. The bracket, lens, housing, the whole works is new. Somebody before me put a set of handlebars on it. So they're new, they're straight. However, they are the incorrect bars for this bike because in 71, they had a foot brake that was tied to the hand brake. So right now you can only use it with the foot brake. It's got the original headlamp with the badge. Forks are not bent or the ears are not cut on the forks. This aluminum piece is in good shape. Both knobs are there. I'm pointing these things out because a lot of the times this stuff is missing on these bikes. A lot of the hard to get parts are still on this one. So if you're going to do a restoration on it, that's a big start. The tires are front and rear. I'm sure they've been replaced at one time, but they're the original type tires that go on the bike, and they're in very nice shape. You can see the lines that are still on them. The original reflectors are here. The badge is in good shape on the front. That's there. The original hubs, drums. It has a new high and low beam switch on it. That's brand new. The original exhaust is here. The muffler, tailpipe, both guards. That's almost always missing. It has the protector right here. That's there. Still on the bike. As I mentioned, 71, they had the foot brake, and the brake pedal is in real nice shape. Those are always bent on these bikes, and we've restored a lot of these. Original carburetor, air cleaner is there. That's always missing. The ignition is here. That seems to always be missing as well. But this bike is a really nice candidate for restoration or just ride it like it is. There's no mileage, no speedometer, so we don't really know mileage or hours. It does smoke, so I mean it's probably been ridden, but it doesn't look like this bike was beat up. So maybe freshen up the top end on it would be helpful, but you can ride it like it is. So we're gonna go ahead and start it and take it for a little ride. And so we just turn the gas on, straight down, choke on, keep on. Original kickstands here with the foot pegs. That's a lot of times is missing. Side case is not broken. And the rear fender on these ones, they really had a longer fender on 71. And they always got bent. So people would just replace it with this one's actually been cut. But a lot of times people will replace it with the short fender like they used in 68, 69, and 70. Anyways, it has very little compression. Like I said, it's probably been ridden a lot, could use probably a top end on it. Or again, just ride it as it is. We'll go ahead and start it. It starts pretty easy.